Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy and wealthy at the same time. We have a plugin here from Moonwave. It is a free for limited time plugin, Illume, if I'm pronouncing it right. Open please. This is the guy and it is going to be enhancer. It is supposed to be a enhancer. So this is my vocal that I'm going to use this plugin on. Why is wrong channel chosen? Okay, yes, it is on vocal. First of all, please ignore the bad performance or shitty performance if you hear some here. This plugin may be an alternative to fresh air. So let's go. As you can hear, it is excessively harsh and there have been some processes to make it over bright. I don't know why people do this, but they have done. So no turning back. We have in control, out control, input, output. We have a beautiful, shiny UI. Let's get started. شیرین تاریکه همه دنیام بیچش لبخندت به دلم میشینه حرفا. This is nice. It actually does backward brightness too. It adds warmth and dips out higher frequencies. لبخندت به دلم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه همه دون لبخندت به دلم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه همه دنیام بی چشما. It's not so airy, so fresh air would win on this matter, but it is extremely sheen. So if you want something to get extremely sheen, this would work just right for you. If you want to use this plugin on a better way, you could use a multiband compressor or DSR to control those frequencies that it's going to enhance and boost. So you wouldn't have extra dynamics. You would have a controlled dynamic with some enhancement added to it. Let me see if I can find something more proper for this example. Everything is compatible with this plugin, or let's say this plugin is compatible with each and every audio material. No. Is there any bass? It's not a bass. It's bass actually. It needs some work. Okay. It needs Illume 100%. Right in face. It's great. It's actually is compressing and adding harmonics and adding brightness. So it's not just a brightener or sheener. I don't know. This is why I'm saying it's compressing. We will have higher attacks, stronger attacks when we add brightness on something like this pluck instrument here, pluck sound here. So when attack increases, we will have more peaks, more dynamic audio material. Here the dynamic is controlled after adding this brightness. So this plugin isn't just doing brightness job. It's doing some other processes too to control audio material where it is on dynamic matter, of course. So we control peaks with this too. And it is a one-knob solution for adding brightness to audio material. Let me do the thing that I said on vocal, so you would see what I mean. You would hear what I mean. We need a re-excomp. What did just happen? Oh, okay. Caps lock was on. And this should be before this Illume. I need to control harshness here. No auto makeup gain, no auto makeup gain, no sir. We need a ratio of these. Frequency better be around here. And for controlling harshness, the other one is in a good spot. So attack should be lower. We are dealing with extremely tiny peaks. Release could be higher. Knee, of course, needs to be higher, and needs to be higher. Ratio could be higher here. Threshold and attack time extremely low. Release time moderate. بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه همه دنیام بی چشما لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین. So a normal record without audio manipulation should sound like this. Okay, we are on a normal vocal, normal record now. I can't speak. Let's start again. بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه همه دنیا. I may need higher ratio here. لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه. So as you can hear, now we have this. لبخندت and we had this. لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه. Now when we add sheen or brightness to audio material, we will have this. لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه. It has better presence, better positioning, and it's in phase. لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات. When it is on 11 o'clock position, almost here, about here, it is sounding, let's say, normal enhanced. When we go higher, it is extremely enhanced, almost extremely moderate enhanced. Then when we go higher, it is extreme. It will sound over bright, thin, and shitty actually. لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه همه دنیام بی چشمات میمیرم. لبخندت بدنم میشینه حرفات چه شیرین تاریکه. This plugin adds some weird resonances too, but it could be useful if your audio material doesn't have those resonances at the first place. My vocal here has that resonance, that weird resonance, and this plugin just boosts it and makes it bigger and grander. So what audio material, what else we could use this plugin on? What about kick? Let's see if it works on kick too. It was Illume. Let's get started. Let's go crazy. Do you hear added noise? We need to use a gate here, my friends. It was better at non-crazy point, but it sounds good too. It depends on where you use it. Overall, it is not a everyday and each day usage plugin, so it can't be a replacement for Fresh Air. Fresh Air, a crazy game changer plugin. Actually, it's not a crazy game changer. People think so. Reaper has some plugins that eat Fresh Air in 1 second. So on a popularity matter, Fresh Air is really popular and people spend a lot of money on one plugin to add brightness, though they can buy a full DAW like Reaper, a complete underrated DAW like Reaper with maybe less price than a plugin like Fresh Air. So this is just my opinion on this matter. I don't care where others work or which DAWs they work. I worked with Reaper. I really like it. It is extremely useful. I don't care about extensions. I usually don't care. I just get what I need and start working and do mixing and mastering, sometimes beat making and composing. Anywho, this plugin could not be a alternative to Fresh Air. Period. Done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.